In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this overlaying particles illusion without using a particle emitter. This is how the scene looks like. The spheres were instanced from a curve spiral, and I'm using a small plane above as the primary light source. Let's create a ground plane and scale it. Type R, X, and 90 to rotate the text object 90 degrees on the X axis. Let's duplicate the text object and rotate it like this. If you don't see the curve spirals in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Let's create a UV sphere, scale it, and press Ctrl 1 to subdivide it. Select the sphere, and Shift-select the spiral, and press Ctrl P to parent it. Let's instance the sphere. Select the spiral, and press Ctrl A to make instances real. Type M to put the spheres into a new collection. Let's create a plane as a light source above. I'll show you the material details. I'm using cycles with a sky texture as the environment light, but the sky texture's strength is set to 0.1. A mesh-based light source is good to use for a scene like this one. Here are the composite node details. By using this set of composite nodes, we can achieve the overlaying particles illusion. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.